Hey guys, how's it going? Zima here. In this video, I wanted to cover Seedworld, their token launch yesterday, as well as their ongoing sale for their nodes called SeatRover over here, as there have been 6 tiers so far that have been fully sold out, and tier 7 is now open. I think this has been open for a bit over a week now, and we only have 700 nodes left called SeedRoutes, and at a price of $1,130 or almost half an ETH. This is on the more expensive side, but still somewhat justifiable compared to more expensive nodes like Gala Games, Delisium, and others in there. Plus they have a really good team and high quality behind it that makes this one worth long term. Now while they are golden verified on Twitter, and pretty much every person I follow follows them as well, they just announced a couple hours ago that 250 million of their tokens are already staked in just 6 hours after launch. And if we look at the price, we can see that it launched at 0.3 cents and it's now 6% higher than launching price. Obviously, there was a dump of 15 to 20% right away, as people do want to make some money. And with the self-supported circulating supply right now of 2.2 billion, we have about 12 to 15% of the entire supply staked already. They aren't live yet on major exchanges. All we can see is that you can trade it on Avalanche with Trader Joe's, you can get it on Ethereum with Uniswap, as well as on Arbitrum, Base, and the Binance Smart Chain. And you might notice one thing over here. Because the liquidity is not that high on the launch date, you can see the price difference right now just between Uniswap and Trader Joe's, for example, where we have a 5 to 6% difference. Keep in mind, the market cap and the circulating supply is self-reported, so we don't know for sure if that is true. It will take a couple days for CoinMarketCap to update and show us exactly what the market cap is and how many tokens are circulating. But at a current market cap of less than $10 million, this is 100% undervalued. If you know Alex Becker from last bull run as well as Elliott Trades, they have their own NFT project called NeoTokyo, and everything they ever did performed quite well. Now, NeoTokyo announced something just 1 day ago. They announced this $150,000 airdrop campaign with Seedworld, which only means one thing. Seedworld, for sure, just like Seedify, are part of NeoTokyo, just like most of the other play-to-earn NFT-focused games in crypto. And having Alex Beck and Elliott Trades as an advisor will definitely change the price of this by a lot. The project by Elliott, called Superverse or Super, just over the past year is up by 17x. It went down to about 7 to 8 cents and is now back at $1.34 because they took the entire time of the bear market to build and improve the quality. And just like Alex always says, you bet on winning teams. And if they can bring back their own project to $650 million on market cap, then Seedworld, which is sitting at 100th of that right now, can probably get close to that. Also compared to Axie Infinity, which peaked at $9 billion last bull run, we have a 1,300x to go in here if we were to go to the same level. Now that's great and all, but let's focus on one of the most important things in here. They say, where gaming meets creation, let's build together. One of the upcoming narratives for crypto, which could be one of the categories up here already, looks like it isn't. There's one word called UGC, that stands for user-generated content. In crypto, this will become super efficient and will 100% be one of those narratives that get hyped up a lot, just like AI, just like DPIN, RWA, and more. Their land bidder, akin to Minecraft but in 3D, offers advanced tools for creating vibrant worlds and multiplayer experiences. If we think about Minecraft, Roblox, and everything else, at its peak, Roblox alone, which by the way is listed on the New York Stock Exchange, was worth about $60 billion. And now imagine that in bigger, better quality, and crypto-based, where money gets thrown into even easier. That's the potential that Seedworld can have. There's a lot more to it. There's the whole gaming platform, the moats, the economy behind it, market insight, and everything else. It is linked down below, so you can check it out yourself. I want to now focus on this spot over here, their SeedRoutes sale, which is still ongoing, and despite being in Tier 7, as Tier 1 through Tier 6 have been sold out, I think at like a private sale or whitelisted sale already, we have a total of 29 tiers. That's a lot. There are lots of nodes that are still there left, and we can still get them in Tier 7. As a Seedroot NFT owner, you'll actively shape their future through prediction markets and incentivize creators and builders, or upgrades to unlock high rewards from various sources, such as allocation, conversion fees, upgrade expenditure, and other platform activities. So it sounds like revenue share, and if this becomes even remotely close to Axie Infinity, this will definitely pay for itself right away. Those NFT nodes are there as a catalyst for growth, in which we get holder rewards as well as active rewards. And as it seems, we don't have to run the node on our computer or virtual private server. We simply have to own it in our wallet and then get rewards that way. And if we head over to the rewards page, we can see that in different phases there are additional rewards as more and more gets released. You can see that there are small pictures and there are more pictures added that point at the seed roots. That means we get more money. So let's say over time, with the long-term vision, which is what we buy nodes for, right, to hold them for years, we will be in phase 5, in which all we have to do is hold the NFT and we receive their token, which again is live already, so it's not something that has yet to come up. It already exists and can be traded. We get it by staking, just like 12 to 15% of all the other token holders, connecting it to the land NFTs, which can then also be bought and sold, upgrading stuff, collecting resources, actively playing the game, and more behind it. The node NFT makes a lot more sense if you actively play the game based on the land integration and everything else they mentioned in here, as you unlock greater rewards as land activity and engagement search, which means you can simply buy it and do nothing ever and get some tokens. But if you were to play the game and use it actively, you get a lot more benefits. Now, while I just talked about the tip of the iceberg when it comes to everything around Seedworld, there is a lot to it. So I would highly recommend read through everything in here first. See, based on quality and the team behind it and who they're partnered with, if this all makes sense for you, if it is a game that you think might be fun to play, might be good getting into now before mainstream adoption happens, before more and more people join crypto gaming in general, and increase the market cap of everything crypto-based, and increase the market cap for everything in-game in crypto from 20 billion to probably 200 billion and more in this bull run, then you know how to learn more about it. Links down below. You know it's not financial advice. And if you do want to grab a node, if you want to buy a seed, I want to get a 5% discount on that, feel free to use my code, copy and paste that down below, and get yourself a couple nodes. Thank you guys for watching, and I see you next time. Bye guys.